Bro going crazy. Sheesh. Who is this? Oh, what's up, bro? Oh, he there. Oh, shoot. Hey, we gotta do the push-up. We gotta do the push-up. You ready? We ready, come on. Ah. 2, 3. You gotta give me a count, give me a count. Wow. How many you got?
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42,
Jeez.
24, 25, 26,
Oh. He's still going. Sheesh. God damn. Yeah. It's love. Look at the shirt though. It's love, bro. It's love, bro. You've been going crazy, bro.
I'm so happy.
You've been going crazy, bro. How old are you?
5 years old.
25?
Yes.
Yeah, let's mic him up real quick. You 25?
Yeah, 25.
You from Rwanda, right?
Yeah, I'm from Rwanda.
We trying to go there.
Yeah.
I want to go to your hometown.
Yeah.
Like people like you, bro, a lot. So what's your goal? What's your dream?
My dream,
Yeah.
just my dream.
Yeah.
Yeah, my dream is to be to show all the world and show all Africa disability is no inability.
Mm.
Yeah, that's my dream.